The Rode Wireless Go has finally arrived in the UK. This just may be the best audio solution for people creating content by themselves or for vloggers. I ordered this from Amazon at the time of making this video, which is in May. It was on for $179.99. I will leave links in the description box below. Okay, let's see what's what. It runs on the 2.4 gigahertz and it does have a built-in microphone. I've seen this on a few channels on YouTube and they had it at the NAB show and in America, and I thought I'm definitely going for this. I will give you some audio samples later on in the video. At the moment what I'm using is the Boya microphone, and that's really long for when I'm doing sit down shots like this. When I'm reviewing a vacuum cleaner, I've got to change the microphone. I've got to go to a shotgun microphone, and even that I use an arm. I mount the arm onto my tripod leg and I face it down to get better audio. So it's just a lot of faffing around. This hopefully will solve that. As you see there, it comes with the transmitter and the receiver. And yeah, so Rode are really confident that this is so simple to pair. There's no text at all, it's just pictures showing you. Now they do come pre-paired, so all you got to do is turn them on. So let's take this out. Let's see what's in the box before we go to that. Some gel. You get a pouch to carry them in. Look how small the pouch is. This just goes to show how small the Rode Wireless Go microphones are, because look how small that is. You get your warranty card. You get 2 wind muffs in case you lose one. This cable here is the TRS to TRS. It'll work with normal your DSLRs and your mirrorless cameras. You could use the Rode Wireless Go microphone system on your mobile as well, but for that you'll need a TRS to TRRS, because the mobile, the 3.5 jack, you need a TRRS cable for that. You get 2 Type-C cables. It's very thoughtful of Rode to include 2. But I suppose if you've got any Type-C cables on, you could just charge it with that. Actual microphones themselves, let me just take that out. So the transmitter and the receiver, look how small they are. I mean, I don't have big hands and even I can cover them up. Them 2 lights, when they lit up, that's linkage battery. It's got that's the built-in microphone, so you would put the windshield on there. It's got 2 little things in there, so it would fit on like so. It's got a 3.5mm jack there, so you can use a lapel microphone. Type-C charging port on this side. At the bottom, that's where you would turn it on off from. Clip there, so you could put that directly onto the Talent. Onto the receiver, it's got a little LED screen. Decibel, you could go from 0 to 0.12 to 0.6, because some camera preamps are quite high. Button there. Then on this side you've got your on off. Type-C cable on this side, and that's the clip. Now the way these are designed, you can actually put this on top of your camera shoe. Range, Rode say they give you 70 meters. Battery, you get 7 hours of battery life out of them. That should cover a day's shoot. However, if you are shooting longer than that, keep your Type-C cables with you and a power bank. You can charge these while you're using them at the same time. Let's turn them on now. So all I'll need to do is just hold them down for a few seconds and they should come on. There you go, they're powered on. The receiver is giving you battery status on the receiver and on the transmitter. It's giving you the Wi-Fi signal. The bottom bit, it's showing you what you've got it set at. So you could set it at 0 to 0.6 to 0.12. If I pick the mic up and if I talk really close to it, it even shows you the colors if you're clipping the audio. If you're in green and orange, you're okay. But if you're in red, you need to turn it down or else your audio will start clipping. The audio you're listening to right now is from a Samsung Galaxy S7. I thought I'll show you how you set this up. So that would clip on and it just goes on. Fits really nice there. Because I'm using the Canon M50, it does of course have the lovely flippy screen. And you can loop that around if you want. You can see there my audio is peaking red. So I've got to turn it down. I think that's -12. I had it too close there. But it's green or orange, it's okay, but when it starts going into red, that's when it'll start clipping. I've got it down to -6 and it's not clipping, so that's okay. And you can see there on the actual screen not clipping as well. Now before I switch over to the Rode Wireless Go, I just want to say my test is going to be really quick with this. I'm no audio nerd by any stretch of the imagination. Gordon, however, I'm not saying he's an audio nerd, but Gordon from Camera Labs, he only reviews cameras and microphones. He's done a detailed review on the Rode Wireless Go, 30-minute video where he's done some intensive tests on the sound quality of the Rode Wireless Go. I will leave a link in the video description box below if you want to watch that. So then friends, the audio you're listening to now is from the Rode Wireless Go. You can see I've mounted it onto my shirt there. You may hear a bit of audio interference there because I'm going to clip it off. Because this is an omnidirectional microphone, whichever way you turn it, you shouldn't lose any audio from it. The signal is really strong. You can see there, as I talk into the microphone, it's not going into red, so it's not clipping. If you're wearing a dress, you can mount it this way. If not, if you've got a shirt, like I have, or a polo shirt, you could just mount it this way. We are outside. I'm not using the wind muff because it's not windy outside, but you can hear children playing, which should give you a good idea how good it is. I'm at the other side of my garden now. Please do let me know in the comment section what you think of the audio. I will not be doing any kind of post-processing to the audio levels at all. Now I'm going to turn to the side. I've turned my back towards the actual receiver. I don't know if the audio is still clear or if it's changed, because I won't get to hear this until I've got into the editing suite. I'm going to go quiet for a bit now. If there's any hiss or anything, please do let me know. Coming up to the receiver, the strength seems perfect. Both battery levels are okay. I've turned it all the way down. I'm going to turn it up. Let's see. I'm at 0.12 now. I'm pushing it on full now. So I'm on 0. And I do have the mic still mounted on my shirt. The Rode Wireless Go, it'd be really good for interview situations. If you're interviewing someone, you could just hold the mic towards them, they can speak and then you can speak. That's my audio test of the Rode Wireless Go. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, my friends. I'll see you in the next video.